Good morning. Today we are going to see how to freeze purchase orders in Oracle Fusion. So, so this is the concept. Why, when you freeze the purchase order, what will be the impact? Okay, so that is the concept. So, suppose if we freeze the purchase order, the budget protection will be there. We can't modify the quantity, we can't modify the prices, we can't modify the schedule changes, we can't edit the distributions, we can't change the suppliers. So this is the, suppose if you want to freeze or frozen, the PO becomes structurally controlled. Okay, what is a farm schedule? Okay, delivery. Suppose the farm schedule, so then delivery commitment be protected. Planning may move without planning may move dates freely without this. Demand changes, auto scheduling of PO. So vendor commitment be disturbed. So all these things can be done using freezing of the PO. Okay. So now I will go to the application and I will explain how can we do this freezing of PO. Okay. So to freeze the PO, we have to go to procurement, then go to the purchasing. It's a very simple concept, but the impact is very more. So the freeze once, so I'm opening this. It's already created on PO. So because you have to be, it's have to be approved. The PO must be approved to get this feature. So PO is already approved. Then go and freeze here. Okay. So this is the coming from 25B. Once we freeze the PO, what I told previously, we can't modify the quantity, price updates, schedule changes, distribution edits. We can't do anything on that. Only so it's the main advantage. So that budget protection will be there, audit integrity will be there, supply trust will be there, locking pricing, building confidences, production safety will be there. So all this comes under suppose if you have freeze the PO. So we have any doubts on just put application and check this three dots and just freeze it. Okay. Now you open this, edit mode gone. Okay. So previously, suppose the PO is not freezed, we can edit it. So that's the thing will happen. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this on how to freeze and what are the advantages of freezing of PO, please comment me on input comment section so that I can reply back.